How to add images to video in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the image you want to add by clicking the Add Clip button or dragging the image file into the project bin. Next, drag the image from the project bin onto the timeline where you want it to appear in your video. Adjust the length of the image clip on the timeline by dragging its edges to set how long the image stays on screen. You can also resize or move the image on the video frame by selecting the clip and using the transform effect. To add more effects or animations, use the effect stack and choose from options like fade in, fade out or keyframe animations. Once you have positioned and adjusted your image, play the timeline to preview how it looks. And that's it. Now you know how to add images to video in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.